how to earn all the activity. You have to do daily 1 hour walk. So minimum distance should be 10 km. Total steps should be 10,000. And daily you have to stand up for 12 times. And whenever you run for 30 minutes, then you will earn this exercise ring. The move ring, it is a minimum low calorie 340. To achieve this, you have to walk around 45 minutes. So this is the success to achieve these three things. So once you achieve, then you have to sync all the drills. Then you will get the rewards like this award. So you can check this. And multiple awards are there. So in September, you have to close your move ring 4 times. So now it's my 33 times. So I'll show you the total activity. On playing this, you will get the whole amount of activity. So this is my last day activity. So you can check the minimum distance is 5.1 km, 6,000 steps, 12 stands, 33-minute exercise, and 3